What's up, YouTube? Thank you guys for coming to watch this new episode on our channel. Today we're going to be talking all about top degrees that are currently in demand. So we're going to give you guys a little snippet of what exactly the field is in and the average salary that can be expected over the course of time with this specific degree.
All right, so the first one we have is pharmacology. This is the study of the uses and effects of drugs. Higher education is needed for this, but the salary pays pretty well. Average salary for this is $110,000 to $140,000 per year. The next one we have is computer science. This is the study of processes with computers, and really could be a variety of things. It's really a broad things because computers are used in everyday technology. So from laptops, towers, cell phones, everything's considered a computer, and you're studying the different sciences behind it. Whether you're developing code, developing new theories that computers can do, there's a lot of things you could go with computer science degree. The average salary is around $65,000 to $150,000. It really depends on what level you are. Entry level is the lower end, and then as you progress in your career, you're going to be making a lot of money. These jobs are in high demand, and it should be easy to get one if you have a computer science degree. The next one we have is information and technology, and that's where you're using currently existing technology to better find solutions for whatever company you're working for. So whether you're a service technician answering help calls, or you're a database administrator for Windows or Linux, the average salary ranges from $57,000 to $110,000 a year.
The next degree that we're going to focus on is engineering. So it's worth noting that there is multiple types of engineering, such as biomedical, chemistry, civil, software, and all of these have great salaries starting at around $60,000 to over $100,000 per year based on your experience in the engineering and what kind of solutions you can provide. The next degree we'll focus on is finance. So that's currently what I do in my job. And I will say I definitely didn't have to struggle to find a job. There seems like there's plenty of opportunities out there in this field, and it's, a lot of growth also. It's based off of finance and numbers and math, but also it brings in the business side of, communication and presentation. And so in finance, you can expect to earn somewhere between $40,000 to up to $130,000 a year, which also depends on your experience over the years. And pretty much every team, is going to have finance and accounting. It will be really at every business that exists. The next one is human resources. Again, this is another job that's going to be at every business everywhere. And HR is human resources. And you can get a degree in that, and it's going to focus very across the board, interdisciplinary, such as business and psychology and conflict resolution. And in HR, you can work, on a hiring team or interviewing teams, or you may even have to deal with firing people. So, you have to have the right personality to do that. But you can expect to earn anywhere from $35,000 to over $65,000 a year. And the last degree that we're going to focus on is education. So this is always going to be something that's really high in demand, and there seems like there's always a shortage of teachers and educators. And just because you want to become a teacher, it doesn't have to be elementary or middle school. It can become a lot more lucrative if you go into teaching at a university or a college, which you may have to get, a master's yourself to be able to teach at that level. But a lot of times teachers have great benefits, great health insurance, the summers off of school, and you can expect to earn around $35,000 up to $60,000, also depending on your experience.
One thing to know is just location. Depending where you live at, it really varies salaries. So someone living in California will probably make a lot more money than someone that lives in Alabama.
Yep.
Just location is everything also.
But we hope that you guys found this video to be helpful. It's also, again, worth noting that you don't need a degree to make a lot of money or to have a good job. There's plenty of people that, can do it otherwise, whether you're a realtor or you have your own business or you're making money off of YouTube.
Or a trade school.
Trade school.
Really, there's lots of options for you.
Yeah, definitely. So thank you guys for tuning in to today's episode. We're working on more content to share with you guys, and we hope you enjoyed.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks.